5 people, including 4 females, succumbed to injuries from crash in Westmoreland. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 2 children and their respective mothers were among 5 people who died as a result of a motor vehicle crash involving a taxi in which they were traveling in and a truck on the Bluefields Main Road in Westmoreland on Monday afternoon. The identities of the deceased persons, 4 females and a male, are not yet immediately known up to the publication of this report. Reports are that the crash involved a Toyota Noah taxi which ran off a section of the road into a tree after colliding with a truck. 3 persons reportedly died at the crash, with 2 being rushed to hospital. However, they both later succumbed to their injuries. The driver of the taxi who survived the crash reportedly fled the scene and is being sought by the police, who have indicated that they know his identity. Senior Superintendent of Police SSP Wayne Joseph, head of the Westmoreland Police Division, informed reporters that a mother and her teenage daughter, along with another woman and her son, were among the victims. SSP Joseph stated that the crash involved a Toyota Noah taxi and a truck. Firefighters and emergency personnel worked frantically to remove the occupants of the public passenger vehicle. As they labored, traffic piled up in the area and videos of the carnage began to circulate on social media. According to police reports, the taxi with 6 people on board was traveling towards White House when the vehicle it was in front of slowed down. The cab driver swerved and collided with a truck traveling in the opposite direction and ended up in a tree. The crash resulted in a pileup of traffic along the busy thoroughfare. We'll have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.